Hey, this is Brianna's DIY World. I'm teaching you guys a couple of Valentine's decorations to help dress up your office or other little spaces. Mine's for my office, but you can decorate whatever else you feel like. If it's your bedroom, if it's a walkway, a hallway, you do it.
That you know, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, spend my whole life loving you. Missing someone, love with all your heart. Missing someone, love with heart. How much you missing?
So for this part, easy, you can do it. Is you're just randomly putting them in places. I would not eat the candy hearts after this. If you got branches all over. So just position them however you like until you get a good mix. Alright, so to be making the hearts for these branches, you want to just take some red paper. I've just folded it, fold a little bit here, and then I'll just take from the corner and just cut into a half heart shape.
Missing someone.
Alright, this one's fairly easy. You're just going to be folding, and then flipping over. So you can do either yarn or thread. I'm just going to do thread because I want it to be almost invisible. It's red instead of white. If you really want it invisible, you should do it white. Or do fishing string. So you just tie a knot. Make sure it's tight. Alright, so now what you'll do is you can either do a pointy end or you can do a curvy end. For mine, I want more of a pointy end, so that's what I'll be doing here. So then you just take your flower, bring the layer up, you want to cut out a brown heart. Do that however you like. I like to put a little bit of glue right in the middle. String on it. So now you'll just keep doing this until it is all filled up.
And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and have a wonderful day. Go on plenty of adventures and know you are amazing. Alrighty, bye.